Hello, welcome to the Silver Beast. Today we're going to check on silver prices as they are in September 2nd, 2018. Right now, silver is hovering around $14.50 an ounce. In the past year, it's been as high as $18. I believe right now we are near a bottom in the silver market. I believe there is support in the $13.50 range, that if silver should fall that low, it should bounce off of that support. The upper range, I believe, for the silver at this time is $15.50 to $16. At this point, I would probably look to accumulating silver as a choice, as silver to gold ratio is over 80 to 1. Historically, that's a bit high. Around 60 to 1 is about the average the past several years, sometimes even as high as 70. But 80 to 1 is quite high. As you can see, there were several times where it fluctuated around last November, and then there was a steady rise in the beginning of the year. We've been kind of hovering there until the rise in interest rates around June or July start affecting the silver price, I believe. There's also some other factors involved. Traditionally, August is generally a stronger month for the metals, and in this case, it wasn't. It's kind of fallen off a cliff here. I do believe we're going to see some sideways action. There could be some heavy movement on Friday as the jobs numbers come out, and traditionally, that's a big moving day for gold and silver. Not always to the plus side. As stocks and bonds continue their undulations, the stocks really skyrocketing the past year. I believe there is kind of a lesser demand for gold and silver now as a risk appetite. I do believe that there will be a breakout. At some point, we will see silver approaching $16 to $17 again, I would say within the next 6 months. The price action suggests that we are nearing a bottom here. If it breaks below $13.50, I believe there could obviously be a further drop, which would be very surprising, as silver has not reached those levels since probably 2008, until we've seen silver down at these levels below $13.50 or so. As you can see, it's been kind of modulating there around $16.50 for a long time. For most of the summer and up until now, it's been kind of hovering around that $16 to $17 range. And I was surprised to see how fast it dropped to the $14.50 area. Now would be a good time to start stacking more silver, I believe, as the gold to silver ratio was high and we are nearing a bottom. As always, subscribe to my channel for more updates. I will update the silver price periodically and give my thoughts and my opinions. And as always, have a great day, and signing off, it's the Silver Beast.